Alright guys, I want to talk about an YouTube issue. So I found one of the posts. When you're watching a video, so the right hand side is blank and the description says also not visible, it's totally blank. Same for other videos, it's blank. For the light theme, it's also blank. So I found a post. So this is the post. If I translate this Korean post, Google Translate, you can see that this problem, the video is not visible, right? And the team in charge is working to resolve this issue. Thank you again. So there you go. If you have similar problem, just comment below, and they're working on it to fix this problem, so you don't have to worry about it. So yeah. So according to the screenshot, it looks like the most of the premium users having this issue. But also, as you can see, they are using the ad blocker. I don't know if that extension causing any issue, but my assumption is it's probably account based. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment below. See you guys next video.